गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज श्रेष्ठा गुप्ता एंड आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल से लिए हुए कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि मैंने सेल के दौरान शॉप किए थे। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू all that you all know that winters are here. So I bought these two products, body lotions. One is Nivea Body Milk Nourishing Lotion, 48 hour intense moisture care, and ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल गया था. This actually retails for 548 600 ml and I got for rupees something. I will mention in the description box below. You can check that. And the second body lotion is Vaseline का Healthy Bright Day Brightening Event Tone Lotion, 400 ml, and this was of rupees 345, but I got on discount. So it has non-greasy formula, and I was waiting for something like this because you all know that I don't like sticky and all. मतलब बॉडी लोशंस जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी फील करते हैं जब बॉडी पे अप्लाई करो. सो आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड आई गॉट दिस, सो आई बॉट इट. ओके, सो द थर्ड थिंग फ्रॉम मॉइस्चराइजर्स इज दिस पॉन्ड्स का सुपर लाइट जेल मॉइस्चराइजर एंड फॉर नॉन स्टिकी ग्लो स्किन. ऑल्दो आई डोंट यूज मच बट आई बॉट इट बिकॉज इट हैज़ मतलब ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर है एंड आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, सो आई बॉट इट. समटाइम्स आई यूज इट एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड मॉइस्चराइजर, मतलब yes. Okay, so the next thing that I bought for my skin is these two sheet masks from the Face Shop, and these two are different types. I mean, it has avocado and it has aloes करके something, so I bought these two. So the next thing is this Swiss Beauty का liquid eyeshadow. Let me just swatch it for you all. Oh my god, this is so pigmented, guys. So I bought it because I wanted to try it, so I bought only one. And wedding season है, so why not some glittery and shiny thing. So I bought this eyeshadow in the shade 06 Molten Midnight. Okay, so the next thing that I bought, I am literally in shock that I got this product, and this is L'Oreal Paris का Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So this is not my shade. I bought it for my sister. So L'Oreal से अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. It was of rupees 750 and I got for rupees 375. Wow. And guys, for my surprise that I got, इसके अंदर मुझे ये 3 brushes मिले. Look at these brushes. My god. These are amazing now. How can we know? So this is contour brush and the quality is so decent. Look at, oh my god, I didn't know that it has two. Sorry. Oh my god, literally I am blessed. I think I am blessed that I got these. And look at this fluffy brush. The quality is amazing. The brushes are so soft. Okay, see, I got these 3 brushes along with the foundation. See, oh my god, the tube comes like this, and this is not my shade, so I'm not going to try and tell you guys how is it. I will definitely try to tell you guys after my sister use it. So this इसमें ऐसा लिखा है it has SPF 16 PA++. I don't know what PA is. Longwear matte foundation, high coverage, natural result. Let's see what it does to the skin of my sister. it has fragrance. Actually जिन products में fragrance होती है I don't like them, but it has. Okay, so I bought this Swiss Beauty Keep Brown Kajal pencil, eyebrow pencil, sorry, and this is so pigmented, see, and this is like the best part of the Swiss Beauty. I mean, it is very affordable yet very good eyebrow pencil. So the next thing is I got this mini cute eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. The Tropics 10 color eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. Oh my god, the shades are so amazing, guys. Look, all tropical shades now, like something foresty and floral, yet somewhat like the picture in the background, I guess. Yeah, I got all the shades. The shades are so beautiful. Let me swatch it for you all. Look at these colors. These are so pigmented, guys. These are so pigmented. Oh my god. And this was of very good price. I will mention each and everything in the description box below. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you all are from Maybelline, and one of my favorite products. Like, I wanted them from so long, but I couldn't because of the price. So finally on sale I got all of them. So the first thing that I'm going to share is this Fit Me Ka loose finishing powder. Oh my god, I wanted it from so long and finally I got it. So this Fit Me foundation says that it gives you airbrush makeup effect. I haven't tried it, first मैंने एक दो बार ऐसे इसको खोल के देखा था, बट आई डिडंट ट्राई इट. एंड वैसे भी हाथ में लगाने में एंड फेस पे लगाने में आर द टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई वेरी सून. लेट मी नो इफ यू गाइज वांट a separate video on it, I mean review video. So this foundation was one of my bucket list and I got it. So the next thing that I wanted it from so long, along with that powder, is this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. Although it's made in China, but I got it because I wanted it from so long. Oh no, oh no, oh no, the biggest nightmare. No, sorry. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this Maybelline ka Age Rewind multi-use concealer. Yes, the next thing that I got from sale is this Maybelline ka Colossal waterproof mascara. I also wanted this. This comes, look at this spoolie, guys. It is amazing. I can't use it right now on my hands. I will definitely review all my products from Maybelline. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Maybelline is this lipstick in the shade Mysterious Mocha, and I wanted this shade because it is kind of nude color and I wanted it for everyday, and the pigment is so soft and the color is also so decent. So the next thing that I got, because it was on discount, एक्चुअल में ये eyeliner है. It retails for ₹550 on usual price. I mean, I'm telling you the usual price, not sale price. But on sale, I got it for ₹350. What a great deal! So it comes with this kind of packaging, and look at the size. The bottle is so cute, na. एंड इसको मैंने यूज किया है कल से 2-3 बार एंड लुक एट द कंडीशन. नेवर माइंड, आई एम गोना यूज इट. एंड इट कम्स विद दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्रश. आई मीन 350 में इतना अच्छा लाइनर अलॉन्ग विद द ब्रश. इट्स अमेजिंग. द ब्रश इज सो मतलब इतना छोटू सा दैट यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ परफेक्ट विंग फ्रॉम इट. Okay, so I think all products are done now. Lipstick is missing. Okay, so मेरी एक लिपस्टिक मिसिंग थी. I was looking for it. So the next lipstick that I got from Maybelline is this Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Barely Nude, and this shade is also nude kind of thing. Matlab, it is also a very good shade. I really liked it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like my video, please go and subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with your friends. I hope किसी ना किसी के तो काम आएगी है मेरी वीडियो. And guys, अगर मेरे 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स दिसंबर तक हो गए, I am going to do a giveaway on my channel, and that is going to be a different thing. I will tell you according to that. Please subscribe to my channel, and yes, that's it.